In 2012, the Meza River came drastically close to flooding the production facilities of an important ironworks in Slovenia. The technical designer of the Meza flood control measures told us about what has been done there.
We made a new off-the-ground construction which we hung the installations on. It was very complicated because during that time the forge never stopped operations. The construction is for the gas pipelines, electricity, high voltage lines, hot water pipelines, technical gases, electricity and water pipes, etc. The valley is narrow and there are not many floodplains to hold back the floods. As an additional measure, it's necessary to create in Poljan, 10 kilometers upstream, a storage reservoir in the case of rising waters. Some agricultural areas will have to be sacrificed so that when the water rises, it's discharged there. The water will be regulated by sluices, and in this way the water can be contained so that the urban and industrial areas are not flooded.